about us going to camp. But not to camp. We're going camping.
Yeah, so this is our second time camping. Well, mine. And we're driving to the campsite right now, and it'll take 4 days.
No, we're right here.
Yeah, we're right here. So, yeah, we're right.
See, a wood cabin log.
Oh no, that is abandoned.
We do not want to go in there for reasons.
Yeah, okay, guys. So we'll meet you. We'll
Just look at the pond, though.
It's beautiful. We were
It's
just
a
there.
lake.
We saw
Look at the lake, though.
we saw a frog. So this is one of our fans.
I actually touched the frog with a stick, and it hopped away.
Yeah, of course it does. Okay, guys.
Look
we'll meet
look at the lake.
We'll meet you. We'll meet you
get
when
blessed if you get a part of their videos. So
we'll meet you back at the campsite. Woo! We're going into a little bit problem.
We're literally tilted in a truck.
Here we go. Whoa! Hold on to something.
This gravity's starting to make me feel uncomfortable.
Hold on to something. Oh God. Okay. Good thing we have a truck. We went side to side. I feel like we're about to flip over.
Ari, don't say that. Ari, do not say that before I throw you out this car.
We're gonna flip over.
Trust in your uncle that he will always take care of you. When you're with me, you'll always be safe, Harry. That's a fact.
Starting to make me feel uncomfortable now.
We're so close to that. Okay. Now we'll actually meet you back where at the campsite. We are at the campsite. Bye, guys.
We are on something magnificent.
Yeah, guys. We might do something crazy today. It might be 2 episodes, but we're leaving tomorrow.
I might throw Ari off a rowboat.
You know what? You know what I feel like doing now?
What?
No, I can't even do it. I can do this stuff.
The floss.
That's not the floss. That's hype. This is the floss if I've ever seen
It
one.
looks like she's flossing her stomach and
So do a
her
dance
high
move.
knee.
Go, do a dance move. Let's see one. That's the dance move. Okay. So
No. Popcorn one.
We're not Fortnite, Joey. Stop making me do Fortnite dances. We might actually do
I think I saw us. Wait. Leave this or you let them be.
yeah. Joey, get on here. Why did we get on my shoe? Get up.
To be honest, guys, I'm actually pretty tired for all we worked. I mean, look how hard we worked.
We did all of this with our help. I don't know where we're building right there, though.
I think we're building a pool, but
We're
it
not
can't be
building
true.
a pool. They were just joking, Joey. Let's turn the camera around. So here's our tour of our campsite.
Oh,
So we
there's
got-
stairs here. How come we didn't see that?
I saw it.
Well,
Just-
yeah, but when we first pulled up.
Yeah, I didn't see it when we just put it up. Joey, I'm gonna go down the stairs now. Okay, I'm going to the basement.
Because I never
See you
realized these
later.
stairs were there before.
Me neither. I'm gonna see. Oh, it's still the same thing that this whole thing is. Grass and leaves and dirt. I love it. Nature. Okay, guys. So we have this. This is not ours, Joey. It's not ours. Let's show them ours. Don't touch it. Let's show them ours. So let's start. Those are the cars. I'm not gonna show you the license plates. Okay. So we're going here. We have these bunch of chairs. And a cousin. Okay. We have this thing. It's a bench with all our stuff. Oh, we have these games, bean bags. And then we have this fire that me and Joey are actually gonna make. With parental supervision, though. Some water, and let's show you our tents. Let's go, Joey. You could vlog this, the tents. Okay, guys. Narrate.
And this is the tent.
Yeah, so this is Joey's, Zoe's, Anthony's. Those tents. Me and my mom's tent is in here. It's small, but it's fine.
It's pretty cool tent, right?
This is my tent. Small tent.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, so we have a bunch of...
Something tells me that your mom had it when she was little.
What? Okay, guys.
Cheese doodles, okay?
Cheese doodles?
Those are Doritos.
Okay, so this is the campfire, as we showed you. We have some rocks here. I don't know what that is.
Chocolate.
Yeah, charcoal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put We'll put some wood and stuff. Put the charcoal. We're gonna light it on fire.
That'll be weird.
We're gonna light it on fire. So let's sit down in our chairs. Oh, look who's there. And here is our cousin, Anthony. Okay, guys, we'll be back soon. Ari is sleeping.
Just kidding.
I'm not sleeping. Okay, guys, we haven't been doing anything fun lately. Just
We're gonna so we might meet them back tomorrow or the next day.
no,
Because
we
that's
won't.
when we're going to do fun stuff.
we're gonna do fun stuff today. Just not now. We've been setting up the tents and stuff, and we didn't like get to do anything. We added some snacks. Don't tell anyone. Shh. And yeah, anything else we did, Joey?
We helped with the fire.
Yeah, that's true. We have a fire now. I'll show you guys.
I was trying to get it on your neck.
How dare you? Okay, let's show you guys the tents. I mean, not the tents. The fire is right there. You can't really see it. Let me turn. Yeah, so it's cooking, and we're cooking some stuff. We literally have our whole house here. So, oh, and there's Anthony. So this is gonna be a fun time in this camping trip. I know it will. So guys, see you later. So Joey's dad is chopping up this
With a machete, apparently.
He literally has a machete.
Dad, is
Chopping-
that a machete? Yeah. Cool.
He has a machete chopping up wood. Joey playing us into Switch. We have some people, on their phone. I'm just recording. Yes, I love recording. I love you guys. Okay, so literally, he chopped a lot up, but it looks like he's not chopping any more up. Whoa, that was a big hit. He chopped it up a lot. You might not look at it on camera, but it's a lot. Okay, guys. Oh, there's my cousin Zoe, cameraman. Hey, guys. So we're gonna just play some games. Now it's done being chopped, whatever it's called. Oh no, he is chopping in a different way now. I did not see that coming.
Because I'm good at chopping wood.
I want to chop wood. Let's go.
Gracias.
Let's go.
I want to chop some
I've learned how-
woodies.
Let's go.
I learned
I want to chop Woody up.
Let's
I
go.
want to chop Woody.
No, don't chop Woody. He's amazing.
Close the tent.
Close the tent.
Well, we need our shoes.
Close your tent. Close the tent.
I will.
No, the up. The up. The
I have 5 bars.
It's Woody the Woodpecker, guys. Woody. Okay, we're going to watch them. Watch the wood chop. Oh, here's another. Do we have 2 fires?
KO.
We have 2 fires. Yeah. I thought we have 2 kids.
This is for my dad and Uncle Kike.
Oh wow. So there's a machete right there. That is very. Ah! Whoa! That scared me. I was zoomed in.
Can I grab this?
Big machete there. He has like a hole, like a case for
It
it.
has to be on the side. Oh, this is.
Whoa! He already chopped it. That is Joey's dad, by the way.
Put it more like over. No, over here. It has to be to the side.
Can I go on this? If it's ours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other one has a lot of tents in it. See, so it was plain. It was like there's nothing there now. Before, now there's a bunch. So now he's using the machete
I'm telling you because it's not over the.
and he's cutting the wood again. That little part right there.
Then listen to me. Stop doing that.
Okay, guys. So I'm by myself right now. Not really by myself, but they're down there, and our moms are down there. So God, why is this still zoomed in? Oh my God. Okay, someone's so close to my face. Okay, so this is like a platform for my uncle who's coming soon. He lives in New York. So it's Anthony's dad. You saw Anthony before. So yeah, he's gonna be here, and then Tio Kike. Oh, I said his name. My uncle's also coming, my other uncle. And yeah, we're all gonna have a good time. So I got some sticks, well everyone did, and we're now lighting the fires
Wood
lighting.
chips, Anthony, Boy Scout. So let's go. Let's go. Motivate. Motivate.
There.
I told you.
Which smoke though? White or black?
Take
I
2.
don't know which is bad. Worse, maybe black. You didn't make it.
I made it.
No, you didn't.
I made it.
You didn't make it.
Look what I found. Cool stick. Then I'll listen to a wish.
Oh yeah. Doing some cool stuff around here. What these woods are. Right, Joey?
Until this kid comes in town.
There Joey is in his natural habitat. With his natural life. What is it called?
We should go fishing tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going fishing tomorrow.
We're gonna make this. We're gonna.
That would have been so. It's natural.
We should put a montage. We should put like one of those the next day things. So with the nice music.
Yeah, but Joey, you said something about montage. I think we should do one right now. You know what time it is for? You know what time it is?
No, don't say it.
Montage.
Welcome. Refreshing.
That was me.
Ow.
Transition to night. What? Hi.
I'm a ballhead. I literally have like a.
Don't waste the battery.
There it goes.
Okay, guys, we didn't see anything when we got to the end of the trail, just like another trail. But I'm sure we'll go on that. But I'm sure we'll go on that tomorrow morning, and when we get back, when we get back to our camp.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna end it when we get back to the camp. Oh, sorry, guys. We're gonna end it when we get back to the camp. I don't know if you guys can see me right now. Yeah, we'll finish it when we get back to the camp. So yeah. Oh, look at this cool motorcycle. Joey took a picture by it. We'll place it right here.
Here's some of the picture montage.
Here we go.
I don't look at. I'm
Guys. Oh, Joey. That's the end of our video. Like,
Subscribe
and don't forget
to hit the notification bell button when we make more videos.
so you can see them.
We'll put part 2
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. A part of that. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Later.
Oh, do the like, do the like, do the like.